Yo, so we don't know say one nation and Mara nation. You see me, my name is Nigo Simara and my brother Bobby Sachs called me out on the cooking challenge, you understand? So let's get to work. We are mad up some stew beef today, but first, wash your hand, you understand? Yes, look how my fingernail them clean. Ooh! Yeah man, so we season meat, we throw a little brown in front of it, we're gonna mix it up right now. You see the sound when this make, it sound all too familiar. Gushy! So we're gonna man throw it in a pot now, and me like make sure we get all of my seasons. So I'm gonna wash the season off from my hand and out of the bowl, you understand? I'm use the same water there and throw it in a pot. Yes, just like that, you understand? Yeah man, so stay some now and chop up this. Editing muddy, so we got some now and scrutinize the meat kind, you understand? Make sure say it good. Alright, we'll have squeeze it. Kind of hot still, in not ready yet. So we're gonna do now about throwing the carrot, because the carrot take a little time for cook. They will throw the potato, because the potato take a little time for cook too. You understand? So while the meat bubble up, you know, throw a little water and we're going to put our cover on top of it. You understand? That's how we got to work. Timing is key when you're cooking. So we're going to now scrutinize it now and see, yo, here and now, I get a one squeeze off of this now. Look how the meat just come off. Alright, so it's not fully there yet. So we're going to do now, we're going to cook with onion them now. And we're going to cook with bell pepper same time. Because I'm not too like when my thing water down. I like when it have little body same way, you understand? Yeah, I cook my thing last. So we're going to throw a little butter in the rice now, you understand? Yeah, go and bubble up, You know what I mean? Watch it now. Grrr. It's when cartel say end shelly like rice grade at a pot time at all, boy. You see me? Yeah, man. We think up. We don't know so we see what go on already, you understand? We have half of the plate aligned with veggies, you understand? We have the cucumber, we have the tomato, we have pear, and we have the border right here, so with the mashed potato, you understand? Because I'm not too one the gravy and the little thing them touch upon the tomato, you understand? Yeah. Right now, we're going to share out the rice, you understand? This rice is Shelly! You understand? So mash up the rice on the plate properly. Then we're gonna drop the meat kind. Low and heavenly sound. Angels ascending to heaven. You know, so it look like it need another scoop. Another scoop indeed. Low trumpets. Whoa, look at that. Very colorful. I tell you, I like when my thing don't cook out. You know, so I'm gonna cook my... Oh, look at that. Cucumber, pear, tomato, potato, rice, meat kind. Oh my gosh. The colors are astounding. But first, look at this. We have some walkers within the mix. The butter stink on good earth.